Black
Wait,
mold
can you
in
open
the
this for
shower,
me?
cut off that part of the wall. Or what you do is black mold in the shower, clean the fucking shower. How about that?
Ooh.
Here you go. Yeah, take the little thing off.
Very nice. Oh, it was seared?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't mean to flex on myself, but these waffles, I think you will be blown away. Ooh, they're so airy. Okay, Afina.
But I mean, the best thing to do is just like make sure you keep inventory of your fridge and try to use things before they go bad, you know?
Meow.
Hey, Afina,
There
you
we
just
go.
went into the garage, and then you went into the garage, and then you stood at the door, and then you meowed at the door.
As a kid, I always used to I was always jealous when I saw like patterns on like the waffles or pancakes. You know how somebody like got a smiley or whatever. You watch Teletubbies, where the pancakes had like a smiley face.
Oh, my dad used to do that. He used to make little with the chocolate chips. He'd put a smiley face, and with the bacon, he'd make little ears and hands.
Yeah, I used to think that they are more delicious because there's like a smiley on it.
Yeah.
This breakfast will take longer than the boat.
Afina, come here. So Afina likes to meow at the door, but really what she wants is she just wants attention. So she meows at the door because she knows that I will then yell at her and then pet her.
That's right.
So she really just does it for attention. Come here.
Having pets is kind of like the first stage
come
of having
here.
children. Oh my god, that actually reminds me. Did you know that apparently like the equivalent of having kids nowadays is thanking Ruxelt for the 5 gifted, thank you, is actually having pets?
I
Like,
believe it.
Millennials, instead of having kids nowadays, they just have pets.
Well, yeah, people can't even afford to buy a house right now. Why would you have a kid?
But isn't it kind of like this? Maybe my way of thinking is kind of like stupid. But like most kids that are being born, they're just kind of being born randomly. Like not much thought into it. They're like, you know, oh, let me.
Were you planned, Arthur?
So my parents wanted a second child, and my dad really wanted a son. But my mom was like, ooh, maybe we should wait because financially maybe it's like whatever. But then I came. And then I was there.
So you were an accident.
Well, can you really call me an accident? It is more like I was an early arriver.
So an accident.
How do I know if this is ripe?
I don't know, you tell me. I was a birth control baby.
What?
Yeah.
You forced yourself out?
Yeah.
You made it through birth control?
I was a fighter since the beginning, yeah.
How?
I don't know. Yep, I was a birth control baby. My mom almost had a heart attack when she went to the doctor for her regular checkup, and the gyno said, "Oh no, you're actually pregnant." And my mom had a breakdown in the elevator.
No way.
Yep.
She had a breakdown because of you?
Yeah. Yep. So my mom was like, "Ow! Why?"
Get him Athena. Bite him.
Afina loves me. She actually always sleeps with me. She's obsessed with me.
I don't know if I'm obsessed. I know. I can't help you, Arthur.
Chat.
How did I
Okay.
mess this up? There we go.
I don't know. Yes, you can. It is, but is it as tasty? Ah,
Chat, do not lie to him.
this is actually kind of exciting though. I haven't cooked like this in a minute. Like actually I prepped something.
Is it reviving your love for cooking again, so you'll start cooking for me?
Uh,
Have you thought about dinner yet, Arthur?
no, it just reminds me how much I like spending time with you.
I can sit in here and keep you company next time that you cook. I forgot how, well, first of all, I mean, my mom used to cook me food all the time, so I guess it does apply. But I forgot how nice it is to just sit and wait for food. I mean, I guess I do that at restaurants, but like it's different in your own house.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
The pineapple looks like a potato.
No, still looks good.
I can't wait until I get my reusable lint roller. Did you put chocolate chips in that one? Yeah, you
Yes.
did. Okay.
We're doing very great. So, like I said, this skill and cooking. Oh shit! I forgot the butter. It's okay. It's not necessarily knowing how to cook. That's just like the first stage, following instructions. So Chad, if you don't know how to follow instructions, start even outside of cooking.
It's way too much batter.
I know.
But it looks great.
It does. If you struggle to follow instructions, start listening to your teammates in video games. You know, that's like the very first step. After that, start listening in classes, okay? If you go to school, university, whatever it is, listen. Says you. Yeah, says you. That's what I'm telling you. Says you, I will jump on my enemy while my teammates are half a map away. Well, that's just advanced gameplay. So Chad, here we have the fruit bowls so far, but it's way too much butter.
How are you going to keep the waffles warm?
They're keeping each other warm. And I will give Julia the freshest ones and I will eat the worst ones. Because W friend. Okay, I made too many. I will put this aside. So it will look as if I keep the working surface clean. Ha! Soggy waffle. You're soggy. Now, where's the knife? There we go. Shit!
You're doing a good job, Arthur.
Okay.
I'm actually impressed.
I bet you most of you that are watching genuinely wish they had this made for them. Okay, now this is the hardest part.
Yeah, this is where it starts getting fun. Here comes the orchestra.
Okay, now this is where it gets intense.
There's so many different ways to make bacon.
Well, I show you the right way.
Can I tell you guys my hillbilly way of making bacon?
Well,
and I don't care. I'll fight anybody on it.
Should I listen?
No.
Okay.
I like to microwave bacon.
Okay.
I know.
Do we have like...
See, the microwave method is low-key goated. No, I would have to show you guys.
Question.
You microwave it with a cover with paper towels. It is the most even. It bakes in its own. Okay. Or you bake it in the oven, but I don't. I actually don't.
So this is what I learned from my dear friend who actually messaged me. You might know him. Nick.
Yes. Ooh, I haven't ever tried bacon in there.
You use its own fat.
Do you hear Athena screaming in the garage? She's getting out all of her meows.
There we go. Now we go back to medium heat.